Donniver Haughton is a medical physics student at the UWI who has been diagnosed with a heart condition.
Yes.
He's here to discuss the motivation behind his team's creation on alleviating severe heart-related conditions as a part of the Tech for Good initiative within the recent Huawei Seeds of the Future program in Costa Rica. Buenos dias.
Buenos.
Good to have you here. All right, tell me a little bit about your diagnosis. A year ago,
Yes.
you were diagnosed with?
Athlete's heart.
Okay.
Yes, this is a condition that, in layman terms, pumps too much blood.
Too much blood?
Yes, so I was a runner, 1,500 meters.
Distance runner.
Yes, and because of that, my body still thinks that I'm still running. Yes, so it produces the amount of blood for a long distance.
Get
race.
out of here.
Yes, so.
And so the manifestation of that is what? How do you feel?
Right, so sometimes it feels like there's a shock that comes on, and then sometimes it feels like it flutters for a slight second. My condition now is, let me say, it's not that severe as other persons' athlete's heart, but due to its randomness, you don't know
Exactly.
when it will.
Treatable or curable?
No, based on the doctor's recommendation. It's just that I just have to live with it and continue managing it.
Gotcha. So tell me about this project and how you got involved with the Seeds of the Program project.
Right, so for the Seeds of the Future.
Seeds of the Future, I'm sorry.
Yes, we were at orientation for third year, and my lecturer said that there is this program, Huawei Seeds for the Future. And I said, I want to be a part of this. And because of that, we got in touch with the relevant persons, and I did the interview process. After the interview process, we realized that it was actually a course that you talk about digital power, 5G, cloud basics, just to name a few of them. And because of that, we now have a better understanding of the ICT industry. Yes, and so we are working on our prototype. That a part of the program was to come up with a pitch based on a problem that you have seen in your country. And as you we are aware that approximately 6,500 persons die in Jamaica due to cardiovascular diseases every year.
Not only that, but as you found, Donniver, to get the tests done,
yes,
to get the processes done, it's tens of thousands of dollars
yes,
per visit.
Yes.
If you're lucky, because it could be more.
Yes, if you're going to a private doctor, yes. Also, you also have the issue of a waiting time as well.
Yes.
For example, if you get the test done, you would have to wait on the doctor to give you back the results, and then that may be fatal to you as well.
When it comes to matters of the heart, you can't wait too long.
Yes.
And so you use this and your own personal experience now to create what?
Right, so what we're trying to create is a wireless mobile monitoring device. This device would be placed on the chest, and it will be able to monitor and detect any arrhythmia or irregularities with your heartbeat. And
with arrhythmias and irregular heartbeat, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and so doing so, we have early detection. So let's say in my case that you have just a slight sensation and you're not sure what it is. You can use this device now to tell you exactly what's happening. We put the disclaimer, it's controlled by a convoluted neural network, which is our algorithm that we tend to use. So the AI will give you ballpark of what it could be, and then from there you would move to professional help. But the AI is deep learning, so it's able to give you accurate
That's amazing.
results. Yes.
So what's it been like working on it, and how long has it been taking to get it right, and when will you finish?
All right, so for now, it's just from the Tech for Good project that we started this initiative. However, the we have the opportunity to go to China to do the global competition
in
February. So after that, we are starting our prototype. At that time, if we get funded from organizations like the Ministry of Health, United Nations, we are hopefully trying to finish this project by approximately 2026 there.
Wow. And your hope is that when it comes on the market, it will be affordable?
Yes.
So that people don't have to stress about the bag of money to go and get the test done?
Yes, correct.
Absolutely fantastic. This is great, Donniver.
Yeah.
I wish you guys all the best with it, and I hope you get to China and you can showcase it and it turns out to be a very big deal and a life-changing deal for many young people. And all the best for your health, your own health.
Thank you.
Medical physics student at the UWI, Donniver Haughton, this morning, trying to change lives out of his own situation. So coming up, we're going to have a chat with dancehall artist 450. Soon come with that.